In this video, we are going to learn how we can insert currency sign in values. For inserting currency sign in values, first we have to select the cell. Like here, we are selecting B4 to G9. Like this. Then click to Home tab over here, and in that go to Number section over here. In that, click to this accounting number format, this one, this down arrow. The moment we click to this accounting number format, list of currency sign will appear. If the currency sign we want is there in the given list, then click it or click to this More Accounting Format. In that, click to this symbol option, this down arrow. The moment we click to this symbol option, list of currency sign will appear. Select currency sign which we want, like we are selecting rupee sign, this one. We can adjust decimal place also over here. We can increase decimal number like this. We can decrease decimal number like this. We can see preview over here. After adjusting decimal place and selecting currency symbol, it's time to click OK. Like this. The moment we click OK, our selected currency symbol and decimal place has applied over values over here. Now suppose we don't need currency sign. Then first select the cell in which we don't want currency sign. Like here, we are selecting cell B4 to G9. Like this. Then go to number section area over here. Then click to this comma sign. Like this. The moment we click to this comma sign, currency sign will be removed from the selected cell over here. So like this we can insert currency sign in our values. Try this in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.